Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my video. It's lunchtime, so nagluto po ako ng adobong sita with minced pork at konting lumpiang Shanghai. Thank you for watching everyone. Pwede na to, kain po tayo.